Friends, let me ask you a simple question today. What is the first question that will be coming in to your mind when you are thinking of international business or export business? But naturally, where do I find my international client? Where will I find my global customer? Right? No agents, no middlemen, just genuine buyers. Because unless and until if you don't have a buyer at your hand, there will be no business at all. You might have completed all the necessary formalities to open a company, but there is always but, my friends. But you need to have international buyers, right? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to find international buyer for your business. This very video will be a guiding line for you all. So stay tuned till the end of this video. You will have beautiful insights coming up. Let's get started. This is Saurabh Darshane. I am international business coach and consultant. I am helping businesses, working professionals to build international business engines using structured export strategies, not guesswork. Today we will see how to find international buyers, a genuine international buyers I am talking about. Secondly, how to approach them. There are definite ways to approach them. Thirdly, what mistakes to avoid. Business, even if they have a certain set of buyers at their hand, but still they are making mistakes and finally complaining that export business is not working. So we are going to break this myth today. And lastly, how to convert your conversations into paying deals. This is utmost important part of this video that is directly proportionate, directly related to your profitability, my friends. So stay tuned till the end of this video. You will have a beautiful information coming up. Let's get started. Friends, before getting into finding international buyers, let's understand first what problems business owners are facing currently, what mistakes they are committing. Export business is certainly not difficult. Finding right and genuine buyers is definitely a task. Here is what most people do while searching their buyers. Firstly, they search randomly on Google, Facebook, and all other social media platforms. They message people blindly out of nowhere. They are really struggling to communicate professionally. Thirdly, and most importantly, they depend on agents. And last but not least, they are waiting for leads to come at their door. Friends, let me state you this firmly once again. Export doesn't fail, wrong approaches do. You got to change your approaches, my friends. Now, let me give you a powerful insight in this regard. Friends, see, buyers are everywhere in this world. They are not hidden. But your unstructured and non-strategic approach to find them is really a big hassle. In real case scenario, international buyers are everywhere and they are importing, searching for suppliers, searching for right suppliers, I would say. They are posting their requirements all the social media channels. And lastly, there are trade shows, trade fairs going everywhere worldwide. They are attending this. Now, let's get more practical into it. I'll give you simple 5-step B2B buyer finding system. Let's understand that first. First and foremost, B2B marketplaces. There are a humongous number of buyers available on these platforms. Alibaba, IndiaMart, a global section I'm talking about, TradeIndia.com, and lastly, all the global sources that you may find out on internet. And if you want to search internet, simply you got to search like your product name plus country. For example, if you are into textile, if you want to search importers in textiles, you simply got to search on Google, or textile buyers in Japan, or textile buyers in USA. Second platform is LinkedIn, my friends. This is the biggest and robust platform for people who are into domestic as well as international business. It's a complete B2B database, my friends. You got to make the most out of this platform. If you are trying to search over LinkedIn, in a search term on LinkedIn page, you got to search like import managers of your product, procurement head, purchase manager, sourcing manager. Then later on you can filter them. This is the most popular platform and absolutely doable task even if you are beginner or non-techno savvy. Third powerful step is Google Advanced Search. If you want to dive more deeply into searching buyers and using Google for it, you may search like this: importers in textile industry in Europe, or maybe if you want to target any particular country, or importers in textile industry in France, importers in textile industry in Vietnam. Alternatively, you can search buyers list plus your product name. In our textile example, you may write buyers list plus textile, and then after finding a whole database or a list of the companies at your hand, log on to their company websites, try to find their emails or contact numbers or WhatsApp numbers or any other social media contacts. If you want to add more to it, you can search for business directories also. There are so many business directories. A famous one is Yellow Pages. There are different business directories like Yellow Pages available on internet, and you can search off their websites, and definitely you can get a good amount of buyers from these business directories as well. Next step is trade data. Trade data is widely available over internet. You got to search them very precisely. When I'm saying trade data, which I simply mean import export data tools, who is selling to whom and when. This all information is available on internet. If you are trying to export from India, there are a lot of websites available. There are also websites available in importing countries, what all products they are importing, from which country and from which sellers across globe. See, all these data structures, data points are available on different websites over internet. You got to search all these websites and fetch the buyers out of them for your specified international product. Step number 5, last but not least, direct outreach. You got to listen carefully, because lots and lots of most of the people fail here in this step only. You got to listen very properly and carefully to what I'm saying right now. You have to send them a professional, value added and clear cut message, what you really have to say. At the same time, it should not feel like that you are really pleading in front of them. It really creates a bad impression in front of your buyers or prospects. We'll carry forward that textile example only. If you want to communicate professionally, it should be like this. Hello sir, we supply textile products originated from India with a competitive pricing and consistent quality. Would you be open to exploring the sourcing option? This is the message you need to convey to your buyers first in order to initiate the conversation. Friends, let's now understand what mistakes people are doing, people are committing. If you want to achieve great success in international business, you got to avoid these mistakes. They are copy paste messages, no product clarity, no research at all, and lastly, no follow up. Why follow up? Follow up is where deals happen. Right follow up is absolutely important. Friends, frankly speaking, you really don't need hundreds, 200 buyers. You just need 5 serious buyers, genuine buyers, and that's it. You are in the game. And those 5 genuine and serious buyers comes from consistency and correct approach and complete clarity. This is the thumb rule behind cracking deals. Now, if you are really serious about international business, export business, building global income, then you need to take all these things very much seriously if you want real success in this international business game. Friends, this is a beautiful and best of the best business in this world. Confidently and excitingly doing this for past 15 years now. Just to help like-minded people like you, I have created robust global business blueprint just to give you enough confidence. Now you can do 2 things. After watching this complete video, go to the description of this video where you will find 2 different links. One link will lead you to global business blueprint, and with other link you can book a strategic discovery call directly with me. In a nutshell, if I want to summarize everything, export is definitely not about products or services, but it definitely about connections. Building right connections is a key. So build connections, build business. This is the thumb rule on a final note. See you friends in the next video. Till then, thank you.